Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the server is not online error in PUBG, or basically I'm not gonna show you how to fix it because it can be fixed, but I'm gonna explain it, what it is and why does it show up. So basically it says once you open PUBG, it says maintenance notice, PUBG will be taken offline from 0000 to 8 AM UTC, so Universal Time, on the 16th of April 2019 for maintenance. The new version will be available starting 17th of April 2019, and you need to update before 23rd April 2019 to get the outfit box 3 and 1888 BP. And it says what's new in this update. It says Evo Ground, all new modes will be under this category. Darkest Night, stay alive for one night while fighting zombies. Survive till dawn, new weapons, monsters and systems. Difficulty has also been tuned. Players can now spectate matches of their friends, crew or clan members and adjust spectator mode privacy settings. Portable closets can now be swapped in combat, added spring team and treasure event, and basically it says for more information please follow our Facebook, Twitter and YouTube PUBG Mobile team. Okay, and once you close the maintenance notice, it says loading, and now it says server is not online yet. Please check the official news for further information regarding availability. Thank you for your understanding, and click on OK. And basically this will show up. If you click on guest, it will say the same things, that the server is not online yet, and basically you can't play PUBG Mobile right now because the game is being updated. And this should finish in about, I don't know, 8 hours, so 8 AM UTC, or it should be around 10 AM Central European time or 12 AM in India. And basically the new version will be available tomorrow, so the 17th of April. And if you want to get the free coins and the skin, then you need to update before the 23rd of April 2019. And that's it for this video. I hope I helped you. If I did, please watch my other videos and subscribe, like my video and comment. And that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.